So I would like to say for the record, and I think I can say this in behalf of PDP, we strongly condemn the use of and the implementation of online voting. It is without basis in law and jurisprudence. Wala pong kahit anong dahilan para payagan ng online voting. Kaya po kami nag-file ng petition sa Supreme Court headed by Attorney Bobet Torion, the representative of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, for prohibitory injunction po ng online voting, tsaka mandatory injunction na gawing manual ang counting. Ang suggestion namin sa OFW, go out and vote, pumunta kayo sa consulate, and demand respectfully for the enforcement of your right to cast a physical ballot. Tapos, sabihin niyo po sa lahat ng kamag-anak niyo, mag-green sa araw ng halalan.
Yeah.